Everyone, Josh here. So today we're working out in the Sky shop on my wife's BEW. So complaint, loud pop. She thought she blew the engine, and excessive smoke, like just pouring coal. So her car is 530,000 kilometers on it now, and the boost pipe isn't piping very well anymore. So there's a quick and easy fix for this. So we got a few issues here. First off, the locking tab is no longer tabby, and the other issue is that's how it's supposed to look. This side's missing half of it, so that doesn't lock in very well like that. So a few options: you can either replace that and this upper pipe. The other way you can do is get a Doggie Collar kit or upper boost pipe repair kit, whoever you want to buy it from. Everybody's got their own version of this. It's just a quick and easy cutout piece of steel with some shims. So look at this out of the package and see how it's supposed to go. So here's the actual collar piece. That's our hardware. Basically what we're gonna do is remove these two bolts that hold your ASV on. This basically kind of sits in there, and then you put your washers in, or your spacers in here, and that's what holds it tight, so the collar pushes up against the steel part of your upper boost pipe. Okay, I'm not gonna film this part because I don't want to get my gimbal out. So it's just a 5mm. Again, you take the top one out, and then that bottom one works nice if you got a ball end Allen key to get that out. There we go. So nice and tight. So this was a Doggie Collar that I got off of eBay because it was the cheapest one. The fit and finish, I don't know, I give it a 7 out of 10. I've used the Mech Evo kit, and it's very nice. Fits very nice in here, and it's all stainless. But of course, living in Canada, usually the shipping costs more than the part itself. So this one was shipped pretty cheaply from Poland, I think. So it's crazy, you can get parts from Poland for cheaper than you can get it shipped from the province next over. But anyways, so it's on there. She should have boost again, and it should work awesome. So thanks for watching, and hopefully this helped.